Yo, this is the funniest thing you'll watch all day. Third World Cup mixed with Mr. Crazy. The boss edit bad. Watch and enjoy.
You work for Reverend Scott?
No, you carry charity bar.
Me?
I know you carry the charity bar.
So what the problem?
So how you tell me you don't work for Reverend?
You don't force that for me. So when I pay you?
Me don't know nothing about him.
More charity I come up?
Me not go answer that.
And give the ganja?
What you want for here? If you the answer you want, you have to go and be for that. How about the blood clot, you say, boy? Eh? Him give you coke? Me don't want that.
Watch me now. Don't tell one is a question you understand me?
Me don't make no plan to go to the place.
I'm going to tell him say you inform upon him.
Don't mix me up. Run away.
Where at it? I couldn't tell you. You might always see them police friend.
Who you think make the inquiries them now on the wharf about the guns them?
Me can't answer that, sir.
No, your face different.
They love too much gossip and too much sauce.
Me no want to see you chat to that boy that again, you know.
Me not have to talk back to you now, you know.
But what you think you're doing? Building football field and put down stage show?
I hear your ears.
Wanna work for me?
Hold on, who you think you talk to?
Wanna do what high sound must do?
A million King Johnny, you know.
It's high set the percentages around here.
You don't go on nowhere.
Yo, that shit is funny, I swear. When I tell you Jamaica is not a real place, this is what I mean.
Yo, see what I go on there? You tell you rev out for the driver move, you know. Driver try. Watch it. Gone him, gone left them. Bump fly, you now, come on, you. Class! Diplomat! Class!
Wait a minute, what is in that to celebrate? That's unlawfulness. No, that is what you call breakdancing. Man, if you think Jamaica is not a real place, we need to check out the rest of the Caribbean. Watch this while going to Bahamas.
Boy, only in the Bahamas, boy.
Boy, never, boy! But you all niggas fucking bad, boy. But you all niggas bad, boy.
A teeny beanie car. I pulled that right up there. This is Ninja Man back in 1991. I mash up Japan at Japan Fest or Japan Splash. Watch this.
Watch out, make me come down. The dan them a come down. The dan them a come down. And the valley dan them walk in the town. And when they come instead of them run the town. Jungle dan them walk in the town. And when they come instead of them run the town. What the hell when Ninja come down? Japanese start run up and down. The dan dog and talk of the town. And I'm about that they know what the man and a van. What do the mic say? What no man take time, man, little man. We want to know what to the mic stand. If that you proud, me say what a bam bam. Not tell it around there, we come on, man, boy. That's what we say, that's what we can. Yo, what kind of wine that? Ninja, what kind of wine that? We need answers, Ninja, from 1991 until now. We want to know what kind of wine that. When I tell you, I can never get enough of this Ninja Man Emily interview. This ish will have you laughing until you start crying. Watch this.
Have you offered police officers money to...
After me now walk, I give you some idiot. You know, see all of my case and go front of the judge and dismiss.
How many times have you gone in front of the judge at your young age?
Well, if you don't know Jamaica people business and know Ninja Man business in Jamaica, then should I know how much time they bring me front of the judge who me don't know about.
You talk the truth. You tell me. How old are you?
A whole heap of time.
How old are you?
Right now at my young age, Mr. Young, bold and beautiful, I'm 37 years of age, the 24th of this month.
How many children do you have?
23, 22 baby mother. I was batting careful, a good cricketer.
If you're batting careful, how did you manage to have 23 children?
Because I lick all of the runs, them I never out for ducks.
That part is one of my favorite part of the interview. I hope you guys enjoy. Have a blessed day. Stay safe.